What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. This is a quick video upload on half up, half down. Okay, her hair texture is extremely soft. So I'm doing half up, half down. I'm gonna braid this up. So just watch me. And once again, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoy this video. So I'm just braiding it down right now. Just take a look. And of course I have the video sped up just for your convenience. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to see more tutorials, more vlogging, whatever you'd like to see. A lot of my vlogs too that are longer, I have timestamps on them so that you can skip to the part that you want to see. So I'm continuing to braid her hair down. Thanks again for watching. Once again, it's Sugar Salon TV here on YouTube. So that last braid, as you can see, I just crocheted it in with a crochet hook. Now I'm going up to make sure I move all this hair out of the way, because I'm going to protect the back, and then I'm going to glue it down. So I'm going to put a stocking cap on, as you'll see in a second. So I cut 2 holes in the ear. All that does is hold the cap down tighter. That helps to make sure that the cap don't move once you put it in position where you want the cap at. I'm using like a darker brown color, like a scalp color, stocking cap. So now I'm going in and I'm putting some paper strips on just to protect through that stocking cap. And of course I'm using black paper strips. So this is a cute style for this time of year. You know, you may be going out to dinner or have some holiday events. It's a cute, quick style. And now I'm going to be applying the tracks. So I'm working my way up the head with some bonding glue and some 18-inch tracks. So I hope you guys have been staying safe. I hope you've been enjoying my videos. And again, if you ever have any comments or if it's anything you want to see, just let me know if you drop it down in the comments. Otherwise, I'm just going to be uploading videos that I think that you might want to see. So if it's anything in particular, let me know. You can follow me on Instagram at Sugar Salon. I do a lot of lives through that Instagram, Sugar Salon, on Instagram. You can also follow me on TikTok. On TikTok, I'm SugarSalonllc. Again, on TikTok, SugarSalonllc. You can also follow me there. Thank you so much for following. I'm just working my way up her head. And you have to stay around for that final look at the end. And this video is very quick. I'm trying to put more, less lengthy videos so that you guys can watch the entire process without having to be on here for 30 minutes, 45 minutes, or an hour. just a quick look and learn pretty much, or just a quick watch and see type video. So it looks like I'm getting up to the top, almost done. I may have one more track, or this may be the last. One more. So this one I kind of curved it around a little because this is the last one, so you're gonna see me curve it a little bit. Yeah. So that should be the final. So now I'm just cutting the excess stocking cap off. And then I'm going to do the top. That's why this is called a half up, half down, because this back half is down. And then the top is going to be ponytail. Now I'm leaving out her edges, as you can see, because I'm going to put, you know, I'm going to do her baby hairs. So I'm just using some Got to Be Glued, which is a perfect spray when you're trying to hold something down, hold that hair down. So I'm just doing her ponytail kind of back a little. You can do it up high. Plus, you know, her ponytail stalk, which is where I'm going to wrap the ponytail, the weave hair around. Hers is going to be kind of small because her hair is very fine. I could have added more hair in, but I didn't. See how fine her hair is, so it's not a thick ponytail. So when I plait it up, it's gonna be, her ponytail is gonna be very small in thickness. It's not gonna be really thick because her hair is, I don't want to call her hair thin, so I'm calling it fine. Fine hair, F-I-N-E. So I'm continuing to kind of smooth. And her hair really didn't need any pressing out because her hair is super soft. If you could tell what I'm feeling, her hair is super soft and fine. So pressing her hair out would just make it even more thinner, finer. So now I'm doing her baby hair, just curving them around. So I'm using an edge control to do that. Did the little curly Q by the ear. Now I'm going around the front. Excuse me. And when I finish with that, I'm going to spray some Got to Be Glued on there just to hold it down. Then I'm going to use my paper strips to hold them in place. Tying another one on there just to hold that baby hair in place. And so you're going to see when I plait her hair up, it's so, she has very fine hair. So a little piece of that weaving hair got caught in her plait, so that's what you saw me. That's what you saw when I cut it. It wasn't her hair, it was the fake hair. So that's her little ponytail stalk. You see how kind of fine it is, and then I wrap some of that black strip paper around her hair, the ponytail, just to make sure the glue doesn't get on her hair. And now I'm applying the ponytail, which is kind of messy because you're using a glue. You're getting glue on your fingers and stuff like that. So just FYI, it gets kind of a little bit messy. So I'm just basically wrapping the ponytail around the stalk, which is the ponytail, her own ponytail. I'm wrapping this hair and gluing it on. Wrap, wrap, wrap. So we're almost at the end of this video, and you hold on a few more minutes. You can see the final look, and here we are, the final look. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm trying to keep these videos brief for you. so that you can watch beginning to the end. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you. Stay blessed.